just find big rated these stones. This is the opal. This is the opal raw stones. Check this quality. This is opal raw stone. This it is pen, and which is similar stone CSP, just founding to silver sides, and one of the heavy color heavy whites color stones in this gemstones, and this is it's parts of raw opal material stones here. It is raw opal material stone here. This is white gemstone stone face. Just finding above my rebel side because this about is reverse is over this water, and this is then, and this roll is shining together the mixed stone spear.